How to clear storage on Deezer. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clear storage on Deezer app. So first thing we do is we go to Deezer, and as you can see this is the home page. Now you go to the top corner here, and after that you go to data and storage here, and as you can see you have clear all from here, and you click on it and then click clear. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful video about Deezer. Thank you so much for watching till the end.